Hi, Basalamamzito. So Zingumalo and Usisiwe are trending today. They are trending number one, guys, because of the video that I have posted of them giving Usis Timbisiete a cold shoulder, guys. So they were all invited to promote a Honor phone. As I don't know whether it's Honor or it's Honor. I don't know how they pronounce it, but they were all invited. Many influencers, celebrities, they were invited to promote that phone, guys. And there, it seems like they were taking pictures or videos, and it seems like these two, they do have a chemist that system. Mina, for me, I did see Gucci, they're giving her a cold shoulder, ne? But I didn't take as a cold shoulder per se. I think as saying they're giving her a cold shoulder, like engasisesnis babazo, guys, because for me it seems like there are two friends about shoot taking a photo with this lady, and they're not so close with her. Remember, and there, if you watch the video, I think abangekho umuntu batshela ukuthi post like this, do that. Even the cameraman, I don't think batshela do this, do that. So I guess it's like taking pictures a party or any other function. Vele you'll like also very close with someone that you are close to, you understand, and even in the picture people, they'll notice that. I don't think they did notice bona what they're doing is wrong, or they did what they did intentionally, guys. I don't think bayenze because they have a problem with Utembisi or something, but maybe because when they are so close. But it seems like vele uThembi uyaswaba kwabona trying to talk with people and abantu abakunaki. Sometimes thina singayithatha nje kanti they were busy, they didn't even hear her maybe ababiza or trying, they didn't even notice ukuthi ukhuluma nabo just because maybe bakunomsini. I'm not talking for them, like angibakhulumeli, guys, angibameli futhi angibabeki ebuhleni, but I understand ukuthi you won't take a picture or you won't agree to work with someone that you know exactly that you have a beef of or you have a problem with. I don't think ungavuma lento leyo. And but ke what I've noticed, a lot of people, they are not happy. People, they are saying System BC is bigger than both of them combined, is bigger than both. And to me, I really love System. I think she's really talented. As much as UCC and Uzi, they are very talented. And I don't think nabo babukela system pants. I mean, like system has been in the industry, and it's one woman who has been very beautiful, and ongagaza were trender for the wrong reasons. I understand. Even if we watch interviews that she was once interviewed to, or she was once invited to have an interview, maybe that interview, you learn good to system, a very good person, and she's actually nice, but I just feel sorry for Zinu, sis. You know, people about South Africa, they notice things. They notice things. Maybe Labakona, they even feel bad posting that video, or they even feel bad with why that video they posted. But so please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button in the tanda ukuza nokubuya.